Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about the uses of the, that is definite article. In the previous episode we discussed about the uses of indefinite articles which were a and n. Now I am going to discuss today about the. Actually, the is called the definite article because it asserts something. For example, if I say there was a dog, there was a dog, the dog was barking. At first I introduced the dog, that there was a dog, so I used a because only I was knowing, but you all were not knowing. But again I have discussed the same about the same dog, so I have used the. So I said I saw the dog was barking, there was a dog, and again I am talking about that the dog was barking. The is used before the name of mountains. For example, the Himalayas, the Aravalli, the Mahendragiri Parvat, etc. The is also used before the name of the rivers. For example, the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Saraswati, the Thames, the Nile, etc. It is also used before the name of the oceans, such as the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, etc. It is also used before the name of the heavenly bodies, such as the sun, the moon, the stars, etc. It is also used before the name of epics. For example, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Mahabharata. You can say before the name of the religious books, the Quran, the Gita, the Bible, the Jendavesta, etc. The is also used before the name of posts, such as the president, the prime minister, the chief minister, the district magistrate, the principal, etc. We use these things. We use that definite article before the name of the posts. In this way, we find that the is used before the certain things, certain places. We are as we have discussed. One thing more I want to tell you, as we have discussed, that in material noun we don't use the or any article, but whenever there is the comparison, we can use, such as the water of Begusarai is better than the water of Khagariya. The gold of Transvaal, no doubt gold is material noun, water is material noun. The gold of Transvaal is the best, is in the purest form. The gold of Transvaal is in the purest form. In this way we use the. In the last episode we discussed about you. When you is used as when you is pronounced as you, we use a. When you is pronounced as a, we use n. For example, an umbrella, an urgent work, a university professor, a university student, a union. Same way there is h. If h is used as her, h, it is pronounced as h or her, we use indefinite article a. But whenever it is pronounced as a, we use n. For example, an honorable person, an hour. So these are the remarkable things. Thank you. And the next thing we shall discuss in the later episode. It may be regarding the different kinds of verb. Thank you. Have a nice day.